Hi there, I'm Ben Martin, President of SonderCare. If you're watching this video, you or someone you care about is probably in need of a little assistance. Well, you can relax. You've come to the right place. Maybe you have a concern with mobility or preventing a fall, or a particular health condition that requires specific positioning. Whatever the situation, we can help you find the right solution. We know this can often be a difficult time, and I hope that we can help take away some of that stress. Because with SonderCare, you're not just getting the safest, most comfortable, award-winning home hospital bed, you're also getting one of the only beds FDA-registered and fully certified to the latest international safety standards. Delivered to you quickly and installed professionally by our trained crews, and all backed by our ongoing expert advice, tutorials, and friendly local service. This all means that you and your loved ones can rest safely, comfortably, and with dignity. Even though this may be your first experience purchasing a hospital bed, you can take comfort that our team has been delivering these products nationwide for nearly 3 decades. We're here to help at any time by phone, email, or chat. But please feel free to browse our website and get comfortable with our products. Watch our videos, read our reviews. Whenever you're ready, you can order online or talk with a dedicated bed expert who can answer all of your questions and help you through the process. We know this is an important purchase and you should feel comfortable. That's why at SonderCare, you'll get no pressure. No deadline holiday sales, no fake promo codes, just honest, knowledgeable service when and where you need it. So take your time, and when you're ready, we'll get it there fast. Thanks for coming. We're glad you're here.